My legal question is, I'm 18 years old. I'm still in high school, and I'm about to start my senior year. And this past summer, I went to the Etowah County Junior Sheriff's Academy, and I've always wanted to be in law enforcement. And how would you suggest me starting off that career as? Because I do believe you have to be 21 to be a police officer. So how would you suggest me start off doing that?
All right. Thank you for your question. That's interesting. Laura, you want to take a stab at that one?
Well, unfortunately, that is not a field of study that is offered through our program, but there are a number of different ways, I believe, that you can go about that. I would suggest calling the folks at the sheriff's office or your local police office and spending some more time with them and finding out how they got their start. And that's always a good first step, first foot in the door to learn how people whose jobs you're interested in, how they came about getting there.
You know, my nephew is a police officer down in Tuscaloosa. His name is Patrick Farris, and does a wonderful job for them down there. And what he did, Cedric, he found a criminal justice program. Found, in his particular instance, I think it was at UNA and then at UAB, and he went through a criminal justice program. And I think several of the state schools have it. And then he actually followed up and got a master's degree in criminal justice before going into the force. And I think that probably gives a person a lot more advancement opportunity in that area, and probably opens up a lot of opportunities for him too.
And for Hunter, and for many young people like him, he's a high school student, so it's always good to think about internships. You're basically just getting exposure into what the legal career may be or law enforcement is like, and so you can do some shadowing experiences, and then as you take that turn where you're going on to college, you can major, start looking at your minor, and once you get old enough, then you can start looking into some of those individual areas.
Yeah, and our firm's investigator comes from law enforcement. He was in law enforcement for a number of years and then came to work with us and does a fantastic job.
Wow, wow.